Alright, so I'm over here on Apex Pro, which is a decentralized exchange for trading cryptocurrencies. And right now I'm looking for a setup on Bitcoin, and I'm looking to get short. And the two setups I'm looking at is, the first one would be a rejection up here at VWAP, which would put Bitcoin's price at around 29.4, and you can see the high on the chart is 29.396. So a rejection at VWAP, and then I would look to get short. Profit target more than likely somewhere between 1.5% to 3%, and that is based on 10x leverage, so essentially 0.15 to 0.3% profit on a quick shoot and loot scalping type of trade. Now, my longer term setup that I'm looking for would be a breakdown below 29,000. If Bitcoin's price breaks down below 29,000 again, I would then be looking to get short with a profit target more than likely around 28,000, and that would be a longer term setup. It might turn into a swing trade for Bitcoin's price to actually reach down to that level. With both trades, I would definitely have stop losses. On the VWAP rejection trade, my stop loss would be somewhere above VWAP. And on the break of 29,000, my stop loss would be somewhere up above 29,000, depending on price action when Bitcoin's price does actually break down below 29,000. But for now, I'm being patient and waiting to pull the trigger based on one of these two setups.